Welcome to Mathematic. So the topic we are going to discuss today is fractions versus rational numbers. So first of all, we can look what a fraction is. So fractions are numbers of the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is the first one, where rational numbers are the same, that is the numbers of the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So what is the difference between these fractions and these rational numbers? So the difference lies in the way we take p and q. So in fractions, we take p and q. Both p and q are whole numbers. Okay. In fractions, both p and q are whole numbers. So that is P and Q take the values. What are whole numbers? That is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, where Q cannot take the value 0. That is Q is not equal to 0 as we have said already. So these are rational numbers. So the rational numbers are numbers of the form P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. And how we should take P and Q? So in rational numbers, P and Q are integers. So I hope you know what an integer is. An integer is a set of all numbers of the form 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And it can also take the value -1, -2, -3, etc. So this is the main difference between fractions and rational numbers. So in fractions, both P and Q can be whole numbers where q cannot be 0, and in rational numbers where p and q can be integers where q cannot be 0. Okay, so I hope you got the point. So the another difference is that we know p and q can only be whole numbers in fractions. So the example can be 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 5, etc. And in rational numbers, it can take the form p by q, where p and q are integers, right? So it can take the form 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4, minus 3 by 7, anything. Okay, where q is not equal to 0. So what is the main difference? Difference is that rational number can be negative. That is, for fractions, if we take fraction, it mainly defines the portion of a whole. That is, we assume this is a pizza. Okay, so if we cut this pizza into 4 pieces, and if we take this one part, so what can we denote this part? This is 1 out of this 4 parts. Okay, it cannot be negative. Okay, so this is the main difference. It denotes something from a whole portion, where rational numbers is just the denote of the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. So this is the main difference between fractions and rational numbers. So can all fractions be rational number? Yes. So all fractions can be rational numbers. The next question is, can all rational numbers be fractions? No, negative rational numbers cannot be fractions. That is, all fractions can be rational numbers, but all rational numbers cannot be fractions. So this is the main difference we can see between fractions and rational numbers. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you.